Hello plant lovers, have you ever got yourself in this situation wherein you prune the plant and the plant is dead in next couple of days? Here is a simple trick what I do to my plants after pruning so that it won't die after I prune. Save this video for your future reference and come on, let's see what I do. So pruning can be done in almost all seasons. It doesn't matter which season you are in. I do it almost throughout the year, every 2 months or 3 months once. So while pruning, we just have to keep two things in mind. The natural phenomena of imbibition of plant wherein the water droplets drop in through the stem and it expands. So we have to make sure that this phenomena does not happen in plants, otherwise plant dies. So when I prune, I keep 2 to 3 things in mind. I cut at an angle of 45 degrees so that water does not stagnate or it drops down easily. And second one, I cover it with polythene sheet so that, or you can use mud or clay, or you can cover on the top of the plant so that there is no water droplet going inside the stem. And third one is to make sure I keep them in shade after I prune. So these 3 things are what I do, and you can also try it at your place, and if it works, tell me in the comment section that it works, and I hope most of your questions were answered. Thank you so much guys, and follow Biotechmaali for more such. Happy gardening.